Alright, I got inspired here. Made this contraption. I put this on my roof rack here. First you hook this piece on, and then you slide this over the rest of the end of the roof rack. And now with all these pieces, it won't move up or down. If you push on it up or down, it won't come off or anything. And before I put this middle piece on, if I pushed it over here, it would just rotate off. But now that little piece in the middle holds it on, and now I can hang a wetsuit or towel if I'm at the beach camping. There's my winter coat. If I'm at the beach camping and there's no trees or anything to hang a towel or a wetsuit, you don't want the wetsuit dripping salt water onto the car, getting it rusty. And it's pretty good. It's just some screws here. I'm definitely really novice at all this. Split some pieces of wood, drilling pilot holes that weren't thick enough. And yeah, just put some tools here. There's all the pieces of wood I split. But I think it's pretty good. I think I'll be able to hang things to dry without getting salt water on my old metal car.